So I've had an issue downloading and playing some of these PlayStation 5 games. I have a subscription for the PlayStation Plus plan, the mid-tier, so I have access to downloading the games each month, and I'll pull on those as well as old games in the past, and I'll put them on a massive 8 terabyte drive, and I just can play whatever I want. But I noticed that I was getting some icons that were showing up here, and you can see this lock icon over top of the PlayStation logo. And I couldn't, play the game. It would basically say, I go in here and I'd have to, pay for the game, which I really didn't want to do. I had this for like Red Dead Redemption. I had it for Wrecked and some other games. And I really couldn't figure out what it was. I followed all the instruction manuals and how to make sure everything was okay, and really no effect at all. So ultimately, after speaking with PlayStation Support, what you have are monthly games, which will come in and show up in your list of games you can download each month. And then after the month, it will disappear, and then new games will come in. Then you have catalog games. Catalogs will be in the catalog for a certain duration and then disappear. And those catalog games are only available in the catalog until it disappears. So, for instance, Planet Coaster was in there. Red Dead Redemption 2 was in there. Overcooked was in there, Overcooked 2 rather. And eventually they just drop out, and without any warning, you no longer can play the game, which is kind of annoying. Like Final Fantasy in there, Gigabash, Horizon, Just Cause, and some other games I play, fairly often, suddenly just would not show up anymore. And speaking with PlayStation Support, the reason why that's happening is that they are in the catalog games, and the catalog games will rotate in and out of the catalog every so often, and suddenly you can't play it anymore. And it's not an issue with a wired connection or like what type of connection it is. I have a fiber connection to the home with gigabit Ethernet wired connection here. It doesn't matter if I, subscribe or unsubscribe from PSN. I reboot the database, try to restore the licenses, delete it, reinstall it. Really didn't make any difference. When this monthly game thing happens, the only thing you can do to resolve this right here is to buy the game. Sorry. And that's obviously assuming you have access to PlayStation and are still using, the PlayStation Plus plan, and that hasn't changed at all. So, sorry.